Bald eagle. The bald eagle, America's national symbol, is one of the most recognizable raptors in the world. These magnificent birds aren't actually bald. Their white head feathers create that distinctive appearance. With a wingspan reaching up to 7.5 feet and weighing between 10 to 14 pounds, they're formidable hunters. Bald eagles primarily feed on fish, which they snatch from water surfaces with their powerful talons, but they're also opportunistic scavengers. Their eyesight is roughly 4 to 8 times sharper than humans, allowing them to spot prey from over a mile away. These birds mate for life and build some of the largest nests of any bird species, with some nests weighing over a ton. Once endangered due to DDT pesticide use, conservation efforts have successfully restored their populations. They inhabit areas near large bodies of water across North America, from Alaska to Florida. Juvenile bald eagles are entirely brown and don't develop their iconic white head and tail until they're 4 to 5 years old. Peregrine Falcon. The peregrine falcon holds the title of the fastest animal on Earth, reaching speeds over 240 miles per hour during its hunting dive, called a stoop. This speed is achieved through their aerodynamic body shape, pointed wings, and specialized breathing adaptations that prevent air pressure damage at high velocities. Medium-sized raptors with blue-gray backs and barred white underparts, they possess a distinctive dark mustache mark on their face. Peregrines are cosmopolitan birds found on every continent except Antarctica, adapting to diverse habitats from Arctic tundra to desert regions and even urban skyscrapers. They primarily hunt other birds mid-flight, striking prey with a clenched foot to stun or kill it instantly. Like bald eagles, peregrine falcons faced severe population decline from DDT, but have made remarkable recoveries. Their adaptability to city environments has been particularly successful, where they nest on tall buildings and hunt pigeons. Female peregrines are notably larger than males, a trait called reverse sexual dimorphism common among raptors. Red-tailed hawk. Red-tailed hawks are North America's most common and widespread hawk species, easily identified by their distinctive brick red tail feathers visible in adults. These adaptable predators thrive in remarkably diverse habitats, from deserts and grasslands to forests and urban areas, often seen perched on telephone poles along highways. With wingspans averaging 4 feet and weighing 2 to 4 pounds, they're medium to large-sized raptors. Their hunting strategy involves soaring high on thermal currents while scanning the ground for prey, primarily small mammals like rabbits, squirrels, and rodents. Red-tailed hawks have exceptional vision that allows them to spot a mouse from 100 feet in the air. They're known for their distinctive screaming call, which is ironically the sound used for bald eagles in movies because it's more dramatic. These hawks display considerable color variation across their range, with at least 14 recognized subspecies showing different plumage patterns. They're monogamous birds that often return to the same nesting territory year after year. Great horned owl. The great horned owl is one of the most powerful and adaptable owl species in the Americas, nicknamed the Tiger of the Sky for its fierce hunting prowess. Those prominent ear tufts aren't actually ears, but feather clusters that may help with camouflage and communication. These large owls stand about 2 feet tall with wingspans reaching 5 feet, and they possess incredibly powerful talons exerting over 300 pounds of crushing pressure, comparable to a large dog's bite. Unlike most raptors, great horned owls are apex predators willing to tackle prey much larger than themselves, including skunks, porcupines, and even other raptors. They're supremely silent flyers, thanks to specialized feather structures that muffle sound, allowing them to ambush prey undetected. Their distinctive hooting call, hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo, is a classic sound of the nighttime wilderness. These owls have excellent night vision and hearing, with asymmetrical ear placement that helps pinpoint prey location in complete darkness. They're highly territorial and among the earliest nesting birds, often laying eggs in winter. Golden eagle. Golden eagles are among the largest and most formidable raptors in the northern hemisphere, with wingspans exceeding 7 feet and weighing up to 15 pounds. Named for the golden brown feathers on their head and neck, these dark brown eagles are built for power and speed, capable of diving at speeds over 150 miles per hour. They inhabit mountainous and open country across North America, Europe, Asia, and North Africa, preferring remote wilderness areas. Golden eagles are versatile hunters taking prey ranging from rabbits and ground squirrels to larger animals like foxes, young deer, and even adult pronghorn antelope. Unlike bald eagles, they rarely eat carrion and prefer fresh kills. Their hunting technique often involves cooperative tactics, with mated pairs working together to exhaust and capture prey. These eagles have been revered throughout human history, featured prominently in mythology and heraldry across cultures. They require vast territories for hunting, sometimes covering over 60 square miles. Golden eagles build massive stick nests on cliff faces that they may use for decades. Osprey. Ospreys are highly specialized fish hunting raptors found on every continent except Antarctica, making them one of the most widespread raptor species. Also called fish hawks, they're perfectly adapted for their piscivorous lifestyle with reversible outer toes, barbed foot pads for gripping slippery fish, and closable nostrils for diving. These medium-large raptors have a wingspan around 5 to 6 feet and distinctive crooked gull-like wings with a dark brown upper side and white underside. Ospreys hunt by hovering 30 to 130 feet above water, then plunging feet first to snatch fish just below the surface. Their vision is so acute, they can see fish underwater despite surface glare and refraction. After catching prey, they arrange the fish headfirst to reduce wind resistance during flight. Ospreys are long-distance migrants, with many North American populations traveling to Central and South America for winter. Unlike most raptors, they're quite social and often nest in loose colonies. These birds have made remarkable population recoveries after DDT nearly devastated their numbers in the mid-20th century. Harris's hawk. Harris's hawks are unique among raptors for their highly social behavior and cooperative hunting strategies, making them unlike most solitary birds of prey. Native to the southwestern United States through South America, they inhabit desert and semi-arid regions. These medium-sized hawks are characterized by dark brown plumage with distinctive chestnut shoulders and white-tipped tails. What truly sets them apart is their pack hunting behavior, where family groups of 2 to 6 birds work together to flush out and capture prey, primarily rabbits and other mammals. This cooperative strategy, called polyandry, sometimes involves multiple males mating with a single female and helping raise the young. Their social structure allows them to tackle prey much larger than what a single hawk could manage. Harris's hawks are incredibly popular in falconry because of their intelligence, trainability, and social nature that makes them comfortable working with humans. They communicate with each other through various calls during hunts, coordinating their attacks with remarkable precision. Their adaptability and unique behavioral traits make them fascinating subjects for behavioral and ecological studies. Secretary bird. The secretary bird is perhaps the most unusual raptor on Earth, being the only bird of prey that's primarily terrestrial and hunts on foot. Standing up to 4 feet tall with long legs, this African species resembles a cross between an eagle and a crane. Their distinctive appearance includes gray plumage, black thigh feathers that look like knee-length pants, and dramatic black head plumes resembling quill pens stuck behind a secretary's ear, hence the name. These remarkable birds roam the African savanna, walking up to 20 miles daily in search of prey. Their hunting technique is spectacular. They stamp on victims with powerful kicks delivering force 5 times their body weight, capable of killing venomous snakes, their preferred prey. Secretary birds also hunt rodents, lizards, and insects, dispatching them with rapid, precise strikes. Despite being ground dwellers, they're capable flyers and build large stick nests in acacia trees. They're monogamous and perform elaborate courtship displays. Currently listed as endangered due to habitat loss, these iconic African birds represent a unique evolutionary path among raptors. Which raptor fascinated you the most? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible birds of prey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more wildlife content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.